Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix established presence on Instagram. The established presence error usually pops up when Instagram detects that your email, phone number, or device is already linked to an existing account. First, check for existing accounts. Before doing anything else, make sure you're not already logged into an Instagram account with the email or phone number you're trying to use. Log out of all accounts to ensure there is no conflicts when trying to create a new account. The next step is to try a different email or phone number. If Instagram is telling you that an account already exists with the information you're using, try signing up with a different email or phone number. Make sure the email or phone number you use hasn't been linked to any other Instagram account in the past. Next, check for linked accounts. If you've connected your Instagram account to Facebook, Instagram may detect this as an established presence. Try signing up through the Facebook option and see if that resolves the issue. If the Facebook login works, Instagram will create a new account based on your Facebook credentials. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Sometimes the Instagram app might be storing all the information that's causing the issue. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and Clear Cache and Data. Clearing the cache and data removes stored information and might fix the established presence error. For iPhone users, you will want to uninstall and reinstall Instagram to clear the app's stored data. Reinstalling the app can help resolve any conflicting information stored on your device. And finally, contact Instagram support. If none of these steps work, you may need to reach out to Instagram support directly. Head to Instagram's Help Center and submit a support request explaining the issue. Instagram support team can help you with account creation issues, especially if it's tied to an existing presence on their platform. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the established presence issue. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.